Hey Dave, we got you one.
Hope he ain't mad.
You're not mad, are you?
Good. Couldn't pass it up.
Okay, alright, well, we can pass it up and now. Okay? You head down through, we're just waiting for that other one to die. We're going to walk down and do the other one quick. The first one we got, and then we're going to walk up and probably work on the other one. Alright? Alright, bye. He said he ain't mad.
Yeah, she's just laying there. She's dead.
He said he wasn't feeling it.
I dropped her like a fucking rock. Woohoo! Gun works if you put her on the right spot.
Too bad. Brother, it's like,
Oh, I think I got that on film.